How to download tax forms from Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need your tax documents, well here is how to download Discover Bank tax forms on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your username and password, and once logged in from your dashboard, simply have to go to the profile account settings in the top right corner, and then you simply have to select statements and downloads and then choose tax documents from the list. And with that, you need to pick the tax year you need and then click download to save the form as a PDF. And you can also view forms online if you prefer not to download them. And there you need to make sure to keep a copy for your records or to share with your accountant. And with that, just a pro tip is you can sign up for electronic delivery to get your tax forms faster each year. And that's it. That's how you can download tax forms from Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.